Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk to you about a very interesting and topical subject. Did you know that VIPs have a secret therapy to counteract hair loss? It is called PRP, and in this video we will find out what it is, how it works and how it is performed. Let's start off by saying that PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. This therapy involves using the patient's own platelet-enriched plasma to stimulate hair growth. PRP treatment is performed in several steps. First, the doctor draws blood from the patient, usually from the arm area. The blood is then centrifuged to separate the plasma from other components, such as red and white blood cells. Next, the plasma is enriched with platelets through an additional centrifugation process. This enriched plasma is injected directly into the patient's scalp, using thin needles. But how exactly does PRP work? Platelets are rich in growth factors that stimulate tissue repair. Specifically, these substances promote the formation of new blood vessels and new cells, including those in hair follicles. In this way, the stimulation of hair growth is natural and occurs through our body's biological processes. PRP was first used in the medical field to treat muscle and joint injuries, but later it was also used in the cosmetic field, particularly to combat hair loss. VIPs have been using it for years to keep their hair healthy and thick. It is important to note that PRP is a medical therapy and should only be performed by qualified physicians. Before undergoing the treatment, it is important to consult with a medical specialist to assess the feasibility of the treatment and to evaluate what kind of results can be achieved. But is PRP really effective? Studies conducted so far seem to indicate good efficacy of the therapy. In particular, it has been found to increase hair diameter and density, reduce hair loss, and improve scalp vitality. The number of sessions needed may vary depending on the severity of the problem and the desired results. Typically, at least 3 sessions spaced several weeks apart are recommended, followed by a maintenance treatment every 6 to 12 months. In conclusion, PRP is a therapy that is becoming increasingly popular to combat hair loss and that VIPs have been using successfully for years. The treatment is based on a natural biological process and appears to be effective in promoting hair growth. However, as with any medical treatment, it is important to seek the advice of qualified physicians to avoid risks and get the best possible results. Thank you for following along to the end of this informative video on PRP. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos. See you next time.